So we're finally out and about. Thought I'd give you guys a bit of a tour of a free camp that I found. It's called Ludlow's Reserve, just outside Wodonga. Really good. So as I said, free camp. So yeah, I'll give a bit of a tour and check it out. This barbecue area is fantastic. Nice and clean. I actually think these are free as well. Yeah, they are. Toilet block there. It's also nice and clean. Cracker view. Bit of a interesting slide there for the kiddos. That's awesome. Also got a great boat ramp for the baities, the fishes. Obviously catch a bit here. And what a spot. That was us last night. Awesome lookout on the way to Walwa. Little wifey. I know some people are interested in fuel economy and whether Torquevetter lockups are worth it. So I'll just give a bit of a look at some of the data that I've got from the scan gauge. So fuel economy is 16.8, voltage obviously. That TT2 is the trans pan temperature, which is 68 degrees, and water 89. That's a pretty big hill climb that we've done on the way up to Walwa. So you can see the sort of country that we're in. So yeah, highly recommended torque converter lockup, which is this one here. Solar showers doing their thing. Panels are out. Not that we really need it with the lithium these days. FJ and the Vista. Pretty shaded here, so we're not actually going to put up the sail awning. And we've got my mate Tomo's set up here, all custom built. I'm sitting on a new age chassis. Got a bit of lithium happening. There's kitchen set up. Not too bad. Just on our way into Corryong, and we found a really nice campground reserve called Clark's Reserve. I'll give you a bit of a look around. It's Absolutely fantastic. Can't have any dogs here though, so obviously we won't be staying. Really nice, grassy sites. Apparently pretty good fishing here too. The local council's done an awesome job at all the lookouts with some artwork, with some really good detail, and got to a bit of effort like that last one with the eagle. This one's obviously for the boggon moth. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us on our weekend away. As you can see, I'm back at work on the Monday. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, ask any questions if you've got anything about the FJ or the camper setup. And we'll try and get one out to you very soon. Thanks guys, see ya.